Hi, I'm Tricia Morris at Club Scrap. Question: do you happen to have a cat that's currently letting you live in your house? If so, we've got the perfect scrapbook page kit for you. Let's take a look at the Paws and Claws Cat Edition. Let's start by taking a look at the centerpiece of the collection, which is our paper. We'll have two of these really fun cat prints. We've got the collar, the ball of yarn, we've got the food bowl, a little heart, and of course my favorite image from the set, this adorable little cat toy. And then the other pair of prints features a set of really soft colored paw prints with little hearts in the background. Then there's a bevy of plain papers for you to help you finish your pages. To cream, we've got this gold, to rust, some really beautifully textured light brown, a linen textured dark brown, and then this really soft green. And then to make finishing your layouts easy, we always design a set of printed cut-aparts. These include border strips, journaling prompts, really fun images from the collection, as well as some adorable quotes we know you're gonna love. On top of that, we include some ribbon to help you decorate your pages. Get this really wide cream checked ribbon, and then a yard of this brown grosgrain that has a metallic gold going through the center, and finally 2 yards of this brown jute. And to further embellish your pages, we've got 3 of these cute little cat tags, 2 gigantic paw woodcuts, 2 of these cute paw charms, and a set of 3 of these adorable cat paper clips. Now, we don't just send you all this beautiful stuff and expect you to figure out what to do with it. Once your kit arrives, you can download and print your instructions, and that will include very detailed paper trimming instructions using best practices, and will help you use everything that came in that box. Plus, during my video workshop, I will guide you through that trimming process so you don't even have to read the directions, and we will make 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages together. We will incorporate the ribbon, the cut-aparts, the beautiful papers, all of the goodies like the paw woodcut, the tags, the clips. Everything that I showed you that comes in the kit has been added to these 8 gorgeous layouts. So when you're done with the workshop, all you need to do is gather up those hundreds of pictures you've taken of your adorable cat and add them to these layouts so that you'll always remember your special furry friend. Come and join me for the Paws and Claws Cats Edition workshop. I look forward to seeing you in class.